Trust me, you're about to witness one of the most luxurious and adventurous motorhomes ever imagined. This is not just a camper, it's not just an RV, and it's definitely not built for ordinary road trips. This is the 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad Motorhome, a rolling 5-star resort designed to take you anywhere while surrounding you with comfort, technology, and world-class luxury. Stick around because what you're about to see could redefine the future of luxury travel on wheels. Welcome back to Drive Rain, where we explore the most incredible vehicles ever imagined. Today we're diving deep into the stunning 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad Motorhome, a machine built for travelers who refuse to choose between adventure and luxury. Imagine waking up beside a mountain lake. Imagine enjoying a gourmet breakfast while overlooking a desert sunrise. Imagine exploring remote wilderness without sacrificing the comforts of home. That's exactly what the Toyota Luxury Nomad was designed to deliver. Let's begin with the exterior. The first thing you'll notice is the elegance. Unlike aggressive expedition trucks or military-inspired motorhomes, the Luxury Nomad focuses on sophistication and premium styling. Its sleek, aerodynamic body combines modern luxury with practical functionality. Every line flows smoothly from front to rear, creating a futuristic appearance that feels years ahead of today's RV market. At the front, Toyota's signature design language has been transformed into something truly premium. A massive illuminated grille dominates the fascia, surrounded by sleek, adaptive LED headlights that create a distinctive presence day and night. Chrome accents blend beautifully with modern black trim elements, giving the vehicle an upscale appearance. Large panoramic windows stretch across both sides of the motorhome. These windows not only flood the interior with natural light, but also create incredible views no matter where your journey takes you. The Luxury Nomad rides on advanced adaptive air suspension that automatically adjusts ride height depending on road conditions. Whether you're cruising through the city, crossing highways, or entering a remote campsite, comfort remains exceptional. Elegant alloy wheels, integrated storage compartments, rooftop solar panels, and concealed utility systems complete the clean and sophisticated design. Every detail feels intentional, every feature feels premium, and every angle reminds you that this is no ordinary motorhome. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Luxury Nomad truly earns its name. As the door opens, you're welcomed into an environment that feels more like a luxury apartment than a recreational vehicle. The living area immediately captures your attention. Premium leather seating surrounds a beautifully designed lounge space. Soft ambient lighting creates a warm atmosphere. Natural wood finishes blend perfectly with modern materials. Everything feels elegant. Everything feels refined. Everything feels expensive. A large smart television rises from a concealed cabinet, transforming the lounge into a private entertainment space whenever needed. The panoramic windows provide breathtaking views while maintaining privacy through advanced smart glass technology. At the center of the cabin sits a stunning dining area designed for comfortable meals, conversations, and relaxation. Moving toward the kitchen, you'll discover a gourmet culinary space equipped with premium appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooking systems, luxury countertops, smart storage solutions, integrated coffee systems. Everything you need to prepare meals anywhere in the world. Whether you're parked beside a beach or deep within a mountain valley, the Luxury Nomad brings home with you. Now let's visit the master suite, because this space takes luxury to another level. The bedroom features a king-size bed surrounded by premium materials and elegant lighting. Large panoramic windows provide incredible views, while automated privacy systems ensure complete comfort whenever desired. Climate control systems maintain the perfect temperature throughout the night. Integrated storage compartments maximize functionality without sacrificing style. The result is a bedroom that rivals luxury hotel suites. And then there's the bathroom. Forget everything you know about traditional RV bathrooms. The Luxury Nomad features a spacious modern bathroom with a large rainfall shower, premium vanity, smart mirrors, luxury fixtures, and residential quality finishes. Every detail has been carefully designed to create an experience that feels truly luxurious. Above, panoramic skylights fill the interior with natural, light during the day and reveal incredible views of the stars at night. Now let's talk about technology, because the 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad is packed with innovation. A fully integrated smart home system controls lighting, climate, entertainment, security, energy management, and vehicle systems. Everything can be managed from a central touchscreen or smartphone application. Advanced voice control allows occupants to adjust settings effortlessly. The motorhome also features next-generation connectivity, ensuring you remain connected wherever your adventures take you. Remote work, streaming, communication, navigation, everything is available at your fingertips. Now let's move into the cockpit. The driver's area feels futuristic and sophisticated. Premium captain's chairs provide exceptional comfort during long journeys. A fully digital instrument cluster displays vehicle information with stunning clarity. The steering wheel integrates controls for navigation, communication, media, and driver assistance systems. A massive central display manages entertainment, navigation, camera systems, and vehicle functions. Multiple cameras provide a complete 360-degree view around the motorhome. Advanced driver assistance technologies help make every journey safer and more enjoyable. Lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring. Everything works together seamlessly. Now under the hood, the 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad is powered by an advanced hybrid turbo powertrain designed to deliver impressive performance while maximizing efficiency. The system provides smooth acceleration, excellent cruising capability, and long-range travel confidence. Power delivery is refined, quiet, efficient, exactly what luxury travelers expect. Advanced suspension systems work continuously to ensure an exceptionally comfortable ride regardless of road conditions, whether you're traveling across America, exploring national parks, or embarking on long-distance adventures. Every mile feels effortless. So who is the Toyota Luxury Nomad built for? It's built for dreamers, for explorers, for families, for couples, for anyone who wants to experience the world without leaving luxury behind. It's for people who believe travel should be comfortable. It's for people who value freedom. And it's for those who understand that the greatest adventures begin when you take your home with you. From coastal highways to mountain landscapes. From bustling cities to remote wilderness. The 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad Motorhome is ready. This isn't simply a motorhome. It's a luxury lifestyle on wheels, a moving penthouse, a rolling resort, a gateway to unlimited adventure. And without question, it's one of the most beautiful and luxurious Toyota motorhomes ever imagined. If you're enjoying this incredible concept, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Would you live full-time inside the 2027 Toyota Luxury Nomad? And where would your first journey take you? Thanks for watching Drive Rain. We'll see you in the next adventure.